animal's fountain crossing animal.
Yahoo!
This is a big tiger.
Amazing!
Are you ready?
This is a gorilla.
Easy!
This is a cool bull. This is a green T-Rex.
Good job!
This is a very large buffalo.
Help me!
Here we go!
This is a desert camel. This is a gorilla fighter. This is a hyena peeing. This is a cute donkey. This is a sun bear. This is a long-haired rabbit.
Amazing!
This is a jumbo bear.
Are you ready? Easy!
This is a porcupine.
Okay, let's go. Okay!
This is a wolf.
Hey!
This is a deer. This is a horse.
Yippee!
This is a flamingo.
Help me!
This is a cute hamster.
Yahoo!
This is a prehistoric buffalo. This is a piranha.
Amazing!
Easy!
This is a stingray.
Are you ready?
Booyah!
This is a snake. This is a wolf. This is a pigeon.
Good job!
Here we go!
This is an eagle. This is a polar bear. This is a horse.
Hey!
This is a chicken. This is a cow. This is a big elephant. This is a goat.
Hey!
This is a lion. This is a pig. This is a rhinoceros.
Easy!
Booyah!
This is a deer. is a chicken. This is a duck. This is a fish. This is a goose.
Wow! Yippee!
This is an owl.
Let's do this.
This is a rooster.
Try again.
This is a dog.
Okay.
This is a cat. This is a rabbit. This is a mouse.